Grill owner taught me this pineapple salad recipe that everyone wants. Starting off, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, a tablespoon of honey. A teaspoon of salt, some black pepper. And now we'll mix it all up nicely. Next, we'll add chopped pineapple, mango, and onion I'm using. A red onion, some mint, parsley, chili flakes, and now we just mix. Mix it all well. Guys, it's perfect now. Now we just gotta transfer it to a dish of your preference. I'll add the pineapple crown for decoration. And that's it, folks. Now just enjoy. And look at this amazing, quick, easy, and beautiful salad. Try it at your place. I'm sure everyone will love it. And guys, I hope you enjoyed. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug. See you next time. Bye.